Hey guys, this is Rena from CRUKING. Our company is the top professional construction machinery exporter in China. Our hot-selling machines are wheel loader, excavator, motor grader, forklift, and rock roller. Today we are in JINGGONG factory to check our machines. Let's go! Today I'm gonna introduce a JINGGONG wheel excavator to you. As you can see, this is JINGGONG wheel excavator JG150S. The operating weight of this excavator is 13.5 tons. Its bucket capacity is 0.4 to 0.5 cubic meters. The maximum digging height is 8 meters and the dumping height is 6 meters.
When it comes to JG150S, JINGGONG brings in 3 core components from South Korea. They are rotary motor, multi-tandem valve, and double-speed working motor, which provides a strong guarantee of high smoothness and stability. This excavator is equipped with Cummins engine. The rated power is 93 kW. It has strong power and reduces the fuel consumption and pollutant emissions. Next, I will show you the cabin. Large space, powerful air conditioner and heating system, large field view for driver without blind area of vision. The seat is very comfortable and adjustable in height. The gear level is placed in the front for easy operation.
JINGGONG wheel excavator can ensure your safety and help you finish your carpet job. So if you are interested in JINGGONG wheel excavator or other machines, please feel free to contact me. See you next time. Bye!